that's what I call solar power.
That's what I call trouble.
Hi, this is Martin Guaglione of eXp Realty in Las Vegas, Nevada. This video that you're going to see is going to show you about solar systems, why you might want to consider it for your house, and I'm telling you, if you have a buyer and they find out that you have solar panels on your roof and their energy bill is going to be like mine, which is $13.12 last month, $13.12 for a 3-bedroom house, about 2,000 square feet in Las Vegas. That is an incredible energy bill, and that's what it is on a regular kind of monthly basis. So take a look and see what you think. Thank you. Today I wanted to talk to you about solar and solar panels on your house. And why do I want to talk to you about that? Because I live in Rhodes Ranch in Las Vegas, and I put solar panels on my new house, and a lot of people ask me about it. So the first thing they always ask, a lot of people ask, how much does it cost? Typical question. It's like you drive a new car into your driveway and everybody wants to know what you paid. Okay, the answer is it depends on the system that you need and the size you need for the kind of house that you have and the way you use the energy in your house. So that's a long answer, but that's what every solar company will tell you, and they have to do an estimate for your house. Basic answer from me, let's say $9,000 to $12,000 for solar panels for your house. That's how much it's going to charge. Now, you do get a 30% federal tax credit for using solar, for buying solar. So if you bought a $10,000 system, you get a $3,000 tax credit, so you get some of your money back. So now we're down to a $7,000 system. So you think, Martin, $7,000, that's a lot of upfront money? Okay, yes it is. How much do you get? How long does it take to get it back, and how much do you save? My energy bill is $15 a month now. So you do the math, you look at your bill in the summer, in the winter, and see if $15 a month sounds good, and look at the difference in what you make. Next, what's your return on investment? Well, it depends on how much you use every month. Average is, say, 7 to 8 years to get your money back. So if you want to say that's a great investment because in 7 and 8 years you have free energy for the rest of the life of you living in that house, yes, that's great. Now if you say, well, I'm going to live there for, I'm not sure, maybe 5 to 10 years, but I'm not sure. Okay, then one thing to consider is if you buy the system and you sell your house, you're selling practically free energy house to a new buyer. That's a great selling point. So you're definitely going to get some of your money back that way. There's just no question about it. Now if you pay monthly charges, if you bought the system by monthly payments, kind of like leasing a car, then it's a little bit different. The buyer of the house, don't forget I do real estate, so then you have to do the transaction. The buyer of the house has to pick up the payments that you started with the solar system. Okay, so how does it work? Basically the panels create energy, which is converted in a box called an inverter that's hanging on the side of your, on the outside of your house or in your garage. You can see everybody that has a solar panel system has an inverter. And then you use energy, what you have left over you can sell back to the grid. You can actually get credits from the energy company, in our case NV Energy, for the power that you produce. So that explains what happens at night. People say, well, there's no solar at night. No, but you're getting credits for every kilowatt hour of energy you produce. So those times when you're not creating energy, they give you credits because you've created a lot during the day. So you do get credits, you don't get charged extra, and that's basically how it works. It's a balancing system. So think about it. I recommend it. It's definitely worth looking into. And that's it from Martin and